Hey homeowners, this is Bianca for your favorite channel, MF Home TV. And here are rules to follow to make your sofa last longer. Move with care. First rule, do not push, pull, or drag your sofa when you move it. Always move it by carefully lifting it. It is best to move sofas when you got another partner to carry the other side. No jumping. Second rule is to not jump on your sofa because it will really break the frame. No matter how strong or how expensive that sofa is, when you jump on it frequently, it will eventually fall apart. Teach your children that the sofa is not a trampoline. Avoid direct sunlight. Third rule is to avoid putting it on direct sunlight. Just like humans, too much sun can damage our skin. Sunlight bleaches certain types of cover. It fades the sofa and throw pillow fabric, damaging the color and the material. Keep it in a shaded area in the room or use thick curtains or blinds and make sure it is closed during the times most sunlight comes inside the room. Don't sit on the same spot every time. Fourth is a very simple rule, but probably the rule we will likely forget. Don't always sit on the same spot. I know it's simple, but it's hard because we sit on our sofas unconsciously and our brains have a favorite spot. But please remember that if you don't want your sofa to wear and sag unevenly, you have to distribute your weight all over the sofa to balance the usage. Rotate the cushions. The fifth rule is connected to balancing usage to even out the wear, and that is to rotate the cushions. Flip them over so the other side makes the front, rotate them so the bottom is now on top, and swap their positions. You may do this once a week or twice a month. Clean dirt immediately. 6-1 is to clean stains immediately. Once you see the dirt from a spill or from food crumbs, get your cleaning tools right then and there because the longer the stain, the more permanent it gets. Vacuum your sofa. Seventh and last rule is to vacuum your sofa. One way or another, dust will inevitably accumulate. To avoid health hazards and damage, vacuum your sofa as much and as often as possible. Every 2 weeks is ideal, but if you don't have the time, you can have your sofas professionally cleaned every 6 to 12 months. I can guarantee that if you follow these rules diligently, your sofa will last longer. I hope you learned a lot today and I hope you bring home our episodes with you. If you want to discuss more topics like this, please comment it down below. Tell us, what do you want to learn? And of course, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell icon below. This is Bianca for MF Home TV, inspiring your home.
Congratulations to last week's winner.
Here's this week's prize.